Characteristics of tornado and hurricanes when designing for extreme conditions. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we examine the different characteristics of tornadoes and hurricanes that need to be considered when designing for extreme conditions and how these high-speed major storms create the need for protective glazing and frames. We confront two major types of storms that hit us here in the United States and can cause massive amounts of damage, both human and capital damage. In areas of the United States that are prone to be hit with these storms, building codes have been developed to protect the integrity of the building envelope from these and to protect the occupants of the building. Two major storms that we're faced with are tornadoes and hurricanes. And again, both of these we're very familiar with, and we're familiar with the amount of damage that each one can cause. Here's kind of a comparison of the two types of storms. Tornadoes are formed over land, and they're driven by pressure differences. They typically have a funnel shape with a large rotating air column. They can reach speeds that exceed over 300 miles an hour. Main damage is caused by flying debris. They last minutes, rarely longer than an hour, and they're dependent on large storms to continue them. So they come up very quickly and are fairly short-lived. While hurricanes can be hundreds of miles wide and form over the ocean, warm airs over the ocean, they cause flooding, rains, and powerful winds. They can range at speeds from 74 to 200 miles an hour. They can last days or over a week. They're self-sustaining and independent of other storms, but in each case, each of them, the main cause of damage is flying debris. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.